Most creative entrepreneurs aren't struggling because they're not talented. They're struggling because talent alone doesn't build a profitable business. If you ever felt stuck posting content that doesn't get clients, undercharging for your work, or just not knowing what to do next in your business, you're not alone. The truth is, most creatives were never taught how to build a business on purpose. You've probably been told just get more followers or work harder, but deep down, you know that's not the answer. What you actually need is clarity, accountability, and a proven process to build a business that consistently pays you. And that's why I created the Profitable on Purpose community, because inside you get training on how to structure your business, craft offers, and price with confidence. You'll also get weekly coaching calls where we break down real challenges and build real solutions, accountability and community so that you're not doing this alone, and a step-by-step roadmap to sign clients, raise your prices, and finally create a business that supports your lifestyle. So if you're ready to stop guessing, stop undercharging, and finally start building a business on purpose, not by accident, then this is for you. Join the Profitable on Purpose community today, and let's make the next 90 days the most profitable you've ever had.